I got all the superstructure done. This tack strip I got all the way around. I have one little piece back here under the bottom on the front side that I want to install. And I think this is a pretty big area through here. So this board flexes a little bit. So I think I'm going to work on trying to get this. This is the bathroom still. I think I may add something here to try to get this thing to lock down a little better. So otherwise, it's done. Well, I know it's hard to tell, but this is the driver's side, and that is the pole that was sitting here for a long time. It's now out. I got this side locked in. So this block is in. This board right here is loose again. There's some contention on whether or not this has to go up or down a little bit. So, but it's straight across. The board is straight across. That's holding the top of that side over there. So I still have to put one rafter in the very front, and then the front window section is ready to go in. The front window section is ready to go in. So I still have to make the piece that goes here on the very end. I still have to fabricate that and get that in here. I probably have to do some trimming and get it all fitted tight. But yep, it's in. Well, as you can see, the front cover is on, but it's just kind of sitting there. It's not really on yet. There's still a lot of work that has to be done. Yesterday I got this leading edge, this front leading edge made, and I got the window trimmed, so the window's correct. So that was the leading edge. I thought I had it all set ready to go, but it wasn't. So now I'm just trying to get this to fit, the front cover to fit, and then we can actually have a enclosed camper, which has been such a very long time. This is the first time in a very long time all the windows are back in it. I'm real happy. It's back in. I spent a lot of the day measuring side to side, and as you can see, I was chewing up on the side over here because that side's a little long and that side is shorter, of course. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on, but it's yeah, it's unfortunate. So anyway, a little more fitting and finishing, and then I'll have the exterior done. Now another beautiful day. Back on the front of the camper again. It's gonna be a messy day. All that stuff over there, I'm going to clean that off. I'm going to use a wire wheel. I want to lock this down, lock that down, and I found these pieces. They go here. They're cleaned up. They haven't been new vinyl on them yet, but I have them cleaned up, and so they're ready to go. And that'll work. So anyway, and probably lights. Getting it ready for paint. 2 coats. Well, we got the top and the side painted. Not this side, the other side. Anyway, so it's gonna be a nice day today. We're gonna keep plugging along. I actually got this, a little bit of paint was left in the gun. So it's got some paint on it. You can see where we soldered it all up. This is the side, so we lowered it down and then painted it. So this is ready to go back up. We're gonna re-vinyl this top piece. We messed it up a little bit. And where did I mess it up at? I think it's farther over there. Somewhere I accidentally leaned the ladder on it and mangled up the vinyl. Anyway, yeah, so otherwise we're coming along. I got the some aluminum on the corners to help prevent water damage, and I got the insulation in on the front, of course, you can see. So now we're ready to actually install the lights. It'll be easier at this point to install lights and start getting that stuff straightened out. And I got some lights on the front. Oh, she's really starting to come together now. So, cool. If you go back to the first episode, you'll see that I wasn't planning on selling the Shasta. And that turned out to be not quite what has happened. So we've been messing with this for so long, and we decided we really like truck campers. So we decided, and we sold the Shasta, and so now we're gonna just concentrate on this. Although we may actually do another truck camper. I wouldn't be surprised if I get another one. So anyway.